Every parent wants to have a close, loving relationship with their child. Even well-intentioned actions repeated over time can create emotional distance. Children are extremely sensitive to tone, attention, consistency, and the way parents respond to them. Recognizing these habits early is essential because the parent-child bond is built gradually, and small missteps can have long-lasting effects if not corrected. In this video, you will learn 8 parenting habits that slowly push your child away, why they have this effect, and practical alternatives you can implement immediately to strengthen trust, emotional security, and connection. Understanding these patterns allows parents to create a nurturing environment where children feel valued, confident, and heard. This topic matters more than ever today because children are growing up in a world full of distractions, digital influences, and constant pressure. Parents are busier than ever, balancing work, household responsibilities, and social expectations. At the same time, children face school pressure, social comparison, and digital overstimulation. In such an environment, emotional connection is not optional. It is the foundation of a child's mental, emotional, and social development. Small habits repeated over time determine whether children feel safe and loved or disconnected and withdrawn. The first habit that slowly pushes children away is not listening fully. Many parents hear their children but respond distractedly, interrupt, or try to solve problems immediately. Even short moments of inattention teach children that their thoughts and feelings are not valued. Active listening, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully communicates that the child's voice matters. Listening is not just hearing words. It is validating emotions and showing that the parent is fully present, and this builds trust and closeness over time. Another habit that damages connection is excessive criticism. Parents often correct children too harshly, point out mistakes repeatedly, or compare them to siblings or peers. Using words like always or never can make children internalize shame and doubt themselves. Instead, parents should focus on behavior rather than labeling the child. Praising effort, encouraging improvement, and guiding gently instead of criticizing fosters growth, resilience, and confidence. Children who feel understood and supported are more likely to share thoughts and feelings rather than withdraw. Overprotection is the third habit that can unintentionally push children away. Parents often want to shield their children from failure, challenges, or disappointment, believing it is an act of love. However, when children are not given the opportunity to experience manageable challenges or solve problems, they may feel incompetent or incapable. Allowing children to take small risks and face age-appropriate challenges builds independence, problem-solving skills, and trust in their own abilities while strengthening the parent-child relationship. Ignoring emotions or telling children to stop crying is another habit that distances children emotionally. Young children are still learning to identify and manage feelings. Dismissing or minimizing emotions teaches them that their experiences are unimportant or unacceptable. Instead, parents should validate feelings and provide guidance, saying things like, "I see you're upset, let's figure this out together." Acknowledging emotions strengthens emotional intelligence and helps children feel safe sharing their inner world with parents. The fifth habit is inconsistent boundaries. When rules and expectations change constantly or are applied unevenly, children become confused, anxious, and uncertain about how to behave. Inconsistent discipline undermines trust and can create tension in the relationship. Clear, fair, and predictable expectations teach responsibility, self-discipline, and respect while providing children with a sense of security and stability, which strengthens emotional connection. A sixth habit is overloading children with activities while neglecting quality time. Many parents schedule their children with lessons, sports, or extracurricular programs, believing this will ensure success. While skills and exposure are valuable, too many structured activities without meaningful interaction can create emotional distance. Children need connection and attention more than constant stimulation. Prioritizing small, everyday moments like shared meals, walks, or playtime nurtures closeness and emotional security far more than a full schedule of activities. Seventh, failing to model emotional regulation pushes children away indirectly. Children watch and imitate parental behavior more than they follow instructions. When parents respond to stress, frustration, or setbacks with anger, impatience, or criticism, children internalize these patterns as normal ways to handle emotions. Modeling calm problem solving, patience, and respectful communication demonstrates healthy emotional management, teaching children how to face challenges while building trust and confidence in the parent child relationship. The eighth and most subtle habit is conditional love. Children need to feel loved regardless of their performance, behavior, or achievements. When affection or attention seems tied to accomplishments or compliance, children learn that their value depends on meeting expectations rather than being loved for who they are. This creates anxiety, self-doubt, and distance. Expressing unconditional love, celebrating effort, and remaining emotionally available even after mistakes reinforces self-worth, trust, and closeness. When parents become aware of these 8 habits and take steps to replace them with mindful alternatives, children feel safer, more understood, and more connected. Presence, active listening, empathy, consistent boundaries, and encouragement all work together to build a strong foundation for emotional security, resilience, and confidence. The goal is not perfect parenting, but consistent effort to create an environment where children feel valued and supported every day. Start by observing one habit in your own parenting today. Are you fully listening to your child, or are distractions interfering? Are you praising effort rather than outcomes? Are emotions acknowledged or dismissed? Small, consistent changes in these areas can dramatically improve communication, trust, and closeness with your child over time. Good parenting is not about perfection. It is about awareness, presence, and the small daily choices that reinforce love and connection. Children who feel emotionally secure at home develop confidence, resilience, and the ability to navigate relationships and challenges with trust in themselves. Awareness of these habits and intentional shifts in behavior make parenting more effective and rewarding. If this video helped you recognize habits that may push your child away, please like it, subscribe for more parenting guidance, and share it with another parent who wants to strengthen their bond. Comment below which habit you will start changing today to get closer to your child and build a stronger connection.